Canik 9mm pistols, a Turkish gem in the firearms industry, showcase remarkable quality, performance, and affordability. Manufactured by Canik Arms, these handguns boast cutting-edge technology, ergonomic designs, and excellent accuracy. Renowned for their reliability and competitive pricing, Canik 9mm pistols offer an attractive option for both self-defense and sport shooting. With a growing global fan base, these pistols underscore the brand's commitment to delivering top-tier handguns at a compelling value. Number 5. Canik Mete MC9. A cutting-edge semi-automatic pistol that combines sleek design with superior performance. Engineered for both personal defense and competitive shooting, this firearm offers exceptional accuracy, reliability, and versatility. The Mete MC9 boasts a polymer frame and a compact slide, making it lightweight and easy to handle, while still maintaining a generous capacity of 15+1 rounds. Its ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, promoting better control and reducing recoil. The Mete MC9 features a crisp and consistent trigger pull, allowing for precise and rapid fire. The pistol also incorporates a variety of safety features, including an ambidextrous slide stop and a reversible magazine release, catering to both left and right-handed shooters. With its accessory rail, users can easily attach a variety of lights or lasers for enhanced customization. Whether used for personal protection or competition shooting, the Canik Mete MC9 is a reliable and high-performing firearm that delivers on both style and functionality. Its advanced features and affordable price point make it an excellent choice for shooters of all levels. Number 4. Canik TP9 SF Mod 2 is a feature-packed semi-automatic pistol that offers exceptional performance and reliability. Designed for self-defense and professional use, this firearm combines innovative features with a sleek and ergonomic design. The TP9 SF Mod 2 features a durable polymer frame and a 4.46-inch barrel, providing a balanced and comfortable shooting experience. With a generous capacity of 18+1 rounds, this pistol ensures ample firepower when it matters most. The Mod 2 variant incorporates numerous upgrades, including improved trigger, enhanced ergonomics, and a reversible magazine release, catering to both right and left-handed shooters. The TP9 SF Mod 2 also features a Picatinny rail for easy attachment of accessories, such as lights or lasers. Its Warren tactical sights provide excellent visibility and quick target acquisition. Additionally, the TP9 SF Mod 2 is known for its smooth and consistent trigger pull, resulting in accurate and precise shots. With its combination of reliability, performance, and affordability, the Canik TP9 SF Mod 2 is a top choice for those seeking a dependable and feature-rich handgun for self-defense or professional use. Number 3. Canik TP9 SF is a highly regarded semi-automatic pistol that offers a winning combination of reliability, accuracy, and versatility. Designed for duty use and personal defense, this firearm excels in both performance and ergonomics. The TP9 features a durable polymer frame and a 4.46-inch barrel, providing a balanced and comfortable shooting experience. With a generous capacity of 18+1 rounds, it ensures ample firepower to handle any situation. The pistol incorporates an intuitive and responsive trigger system, resulting in a smooth and crisp trigger pull for enhanced accuracy. The TP9 is also known for its excellent ergonomics, featuring interchangeable back straps and a comfortable grip texture, allowing for a customized and secure hold. The Warren tactical sights provide clear and precise target acquisition, while the accessory rail allows for the attachment of lights or lasers. With its reliable performance, user-friendly features, and competitive price point, the Canik TP9 is a popular choice among shooters looking for a dependable and versatile handgun for duty or personal defense applications. Number 2. Canik TP9 SF Elite is a highly acclaimed semi-automatic pistol that delivers outstanding performance, reliability, and versatility. Designed for both professional use and personal defense, this firearm combines superior craftsmanship with advanced features. The TP9 SF Elite features a polymer frame with enhanced grip texture and interchangeable backstraps, ensuring a comfortable and secure hold for shooters of all hand sizes. Equipped with a 4.19-inch match-grade barrel and a smooth trigger, it offers exceptional accuracy and a crisp trigger pull for precise shooting. With a generous capacity of 15+1 rounds, this pistol provides ample firepower for any situation. The TP9 SF Elite also incorporates Warren tactical sights with a fiber optic front sight for quick and easy target acquisition. Additionally, it features an accessory rail for attaching lights or lasers to enhance versatility. The firearm's superior build quality and attention to detail make it a reliable and trusted choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether for duty use or personal defense, the Canik TP9 SF Elite stands out as a top-tier handgun that delivers on both performance and value. Number 1. Canik SFX Rival. A competition-grade pistol that redefines performance and precision. Designed with input from world-class shooters, the SFX Rival combines cutting-edge features with unmatched reliability. Its ergonomic polymer frame offers a comfortable and secure grip, while the extended slide release and reversible magazine catch enhance control and versatility. Equipped with a 5.2-inch match-grade barrel and fiber optic sights, this pistol delivers exceptional accuracy and quick target acquisition. The SFX Rival boasts a crisp single-action trigger with a short reset, enabling rapid follow-up shots. With a 20+1 capacity and lightning-fast reloads thanks to the extended magazine well, you'll stay in the game longer. The interchangeable backstraps and adjustable palm swell ensure a personalized fit for every shooter. The SFX Rival also features a durable nitride finish and a loaded chamber indicator for added safety. Whether you're competing in IPS matches or honing your skills at the range, the Canik SFX Rival is the ultimate choice for those who demand uncompromising performance and unmatched value in a competition pistol. Get ready to dominate the competition with the Canik SFX Rival, your window into the world of top-notch equipment and expert insights. We've journeyed through the realms of gear, providing you with in-depth reviews, comparisons, and buying guides, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions. From cutting-edge technology to rugged outdoor gear, we've explored it all, unraveling the best options tailored to your needs. Our mission has been to simplify the complex, helping you navigate a sea of options effortlessly. We celebrated innovation and craftsmanship, highlighting the tools that empower you in your pursuits, be it in adventure, work, or leisure. Gear Insider is more than just a guide. It's a companion on your journey to discover the perfect gear, ensuring you're geared up for success in whatever you set out to achieve. Stay informed, stay equipped with Gear Insider.